morning, ma'am. Thank you for taking time to participate in my interview. Before we proceed to the interview, let me introduce myself. I am Marian Alsambayan, a second-year student taking up of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Social Studies. So let us proceed to the interview. First, may I ask what is your name and your age?
I'm Janisha El Sambayan. I'm 56 years old.
So my first question is, how did students learn best in classrooms before?
Matutudo sa una mag-picture sa mga bata, magbabasa sa textbook o magpapa-recite sa mga informasyon.
Okay, so the next question is, how did teachers usually teach lessons in your school before?
Magpabasa. Ang mga magtutudo sa una, discuss sa atubangan ang mga estudyante namin na orang.
Okay, so the third question is, what was your classroom like before?
Sa una, ang eskwelahan, ang ginagamit sa mga estudyante ay desk, nakatalera.
Next question is, what problems did you face when learning?
Kulang sa textbook. Kaya maunang ang mga estudyante, kamera ang makatuunan.
The last question is, what tools or devices did you use in school before?
Notebooks, books, o blackboard.
So I have a follow-up question for you. So how do the lack of computers and the internet affect learning?
Mato sa mga estudyante, mato sa library, makuha sa informasyon o bulong sila sa dictionary sa buhay. Dili, pareha karon marami sa mga estudyante, cellphone o laptop.
So that's all. So thank you, ma'am, for participating to my interview. Good day, ma'am. Thank you for participating to our interview. Before we proceed to our interview, let me introduce myself. I am Marian Alsambayan, a second-year student taking up of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Social Studies. So let's proceed to our interview. So first, may I ask what is your name and your age?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Bernadette Alsambayon and I am 16 years old.
So the first question is, how did students learn best in classrooms in this generation?
So, students best learn in our generation through group activities na ipanghatag sa mga teachers kay para nako diha nila maka-collaborate og mga ideas and dira pud nila masabtan og maayo ng mga lessons na ana a day.
Okay. Second question is, how do teachers usually teach lessons in your school?
So, teachers have different methods of teaching, like mag-discuss sila, maghatag sila o mga gamit sila mga visual aids like presentations, and also maghatag sila o mga group activities para maka-engage o collaborate ang mga ideas sa mga students.
Okay. So next question is, what was your classroom like in this 21st century?
So, my classroom is like an interactive kind of place. Kay para nako na mga sitting arrangement, a flexible sitting arrangement na maka-help o mga collaborate and participate po sa mga klase, kada subject. Also, mga group, that's it.
Okay. So I have a follow-up question regarding to your answer. So did your school environment help you learn? Why or why not?
Yes, it helps me learn because of their teaching methods and the ambience of our place. Maka-learn ko kay tungod ng mga uban ko ng classmate na maka-collaborate na og mga ideas and maka-engage po na makatabang para maduhangan ang learning.
Okay. So next question is, what problems did you face when learning?
I face a lot of problems in learning, like kanang technology based naman gud ta karon 21st century. So number one jud na is kanang hinay kayo ng connection sa internet, like naay mapasa deadline. So dayon kuha nakaasa na ka mamulong signal ana. Then also kanang uban nga mga students is walay gadget. Number one, smartphone. So lisod kayo, especially karon nga nag-center na ta as of technology, and also kanang distraction sa gadget nga pag magtuon ka na ay there are a lot of factors nga maka-distract, then mo na lang mawala na ka sa focus.
Okay. Next is, the last question is, what tools or devices did you use in school now?
So we use computers, tablets, smartphones, and TVs. Number one, internet. Yes. Kay, that's it.
So how do computers and the internet affect your learning?
So internet helps me access information faster, and pag na-research is kita dayon na ako, di na pala di na ka mag-adto pag library para mulungan na dahil ra kayo makita nga words, information, and pero na po siya bad side, like pag di na mo siya magamit og tarong is maka-distract na siya sa imong pag-eskwela.
Okay, thank you, Miss Bernadette, for giving us time to interview you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Based of the answers of the interviewees, there's a big differences of the education before and now. Before, learning was teacher-centered and relied on lectures, textbooks, and memorization with limited interaction and technology. In contrast, 21st century education uses interactive methods and digital tools that make learning more engaging, though challenges like distractions and internet issues still require proper guidance and balance.